There are tunes again. Oh. Sound it.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial, a Valentine inspired makeup tutorial. So guys, keep watching. Please ignore all of the flying particles that was coming across the camera. I don't know what happened with this setting, my setting today, but it is what it is. I started off with my brows this time around, just to show you guys that you can do your makeup any which way. You can start any which way, because I've always started like with my skin work and then worked my way up all the way to the brows. So I did things differently today. Started off with my brows and then worked my way up to my skin, lips, and then it was the final look. So I was getting ready to go to a very beautiful event hosted by AFRO Heels. So they were celebrating their 6th-year anniversary. AFRO Heels, if you don't know, is a dance class that is held by Patient G. And I tell you, this is my big sister. I call her Auntie Patient. And I was so happy to be part of this event, because I myself and a couple of other people were like one of the first people to attend the very first class. So I actually very like, I took it to heart being there at the event celebrating her 6 years anniversary for AFRO in Heels. And I am looking forward to celebrating more years with her, because I am so proud of her. I'm so proud of what she's done with the brand. I'm so proud of what she stands for in the dance industry. For those who don't know, I used to be a dancer. Well, I say used to because I haven't performed in a long time, but I still dance in my own way. I still go to dance classes. I still host dance events. Like, I am still part of the dance industry, but I haven't performed on stage and in a music video for a very long time. That is why I use the word used to. So I used to be a dancer, but I am still a dancer. Like, you can take a girl out the street, but you can't take the street out the girl. So you can take me out the stage, you can take me out the music videos, but you can take the dance out of me, and that's on period. So yeah, guys, if you watch, well, not if you watch, you are gonna watch a day in my life. So I showed the events or got clips of it, because I love to be present at events. I love to, like, as much as I love vlogging, I also love to enjoy the moment. So enjoy this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know you liked this video because you're gonna watch it all the way to the end. You're gonna love the look, so share it. Why are you being stingy? Share the video. Stop gatekeeping to yourself. Let other people watch it and learn how to do their makeup in slang. And also subscribe. You just see what popped up? Click that like button like that. Hit that subscribe button, ma'am, and then hit that notification bell, ding ding, so you can always get a notification every time Lizzie can upload new content. Keep watching this makeup tutorial, because the outcome was fantabulous. Again, I am so sorry that the quality of my camera kept shifting. I don't know what happened, but guys, the devil's a liar. I said, come rain, come sunshine, good or bad quality, I am going to post, because this look was good. It was a good look, it was a good makeup, and I enjoyed the process, and I enjoyed what I was going for. Like, the fact I was getting ready and glammed up to go somewhere that my heart desires, like my heart just belonged there.
No, be being stuck with banter. You could be my son, I'm no wahala. Oh yeah, sorry, what? hope you gon' take it. Tunes again, oh. Oh, get deep on the beat, and I'm feeling the thing. So baby, do you really wanna get it? So baby, do you really wanna get it? Baby, you should really come and get it. You should really come and get it. The way you're looking, boy, you gon' get it. And if I give you hope, you gon' take it. Tunes again, oh. Oh, get deep on the beat, and I'm feeling the thing. So baby, do you really wanna get it? So baby, do you really wanna get it? Baby, you should really come and get it. You should really come and get it. The way you're looking, boy, you gon' get it. And if I give you hope, you gon' take it. Baby, I'ma give it to you, yeah. So baby, thinking I must.
Yeah. Money more, money more, money more, money more dangerous.
I trust you this again.
Money more dangerous. They like the way I greet them. They say my flows are dangerous, but I know I want them. I'm a very